How to test a fire alarm system. Fire alarms are essential safety devices that, when activated, will alert you of danger and quite possibly save your life. Testing your system regularly ensures that the detectors and alarms are working properly and will operate as intended during dangerous situations. Testing a smoke detector. Locate your smoke detector. In most houses, you'll find smoke detectors on the ceiling or high up on the wall. Most models look like small, white discs with a single LED light on the top or side. Most alarms require you to jump up and down before you press the test button. If they were properly installed, you should not find any detectors near doors, windows, or air ducts. Check the power by pressing the test button. For some alarms, this may be as simple pressing and holding a button on the hood of the device. For others, you may need to unscrew the device from the wall or ceiling and press a button on the back of the device. If the alarm goes off, the device has enough power. If it does not, you may need to change the device's batteries or, for hardwired detectors, replace the wires connecting it to the wall. Before finishing your test, walk away from the alarm to see how loud it is. If you cannot hear the alarm in the next room over, it may not be loud enough to keep you safe. For modern devices, testing the power will also test the particle and smoke sensors, making further tests unnecessary. Spray aerosol to check the particle sensor. Go to a home improvement or hardware store and purchase a can of spray aerosol labeled as "smoke test" or something similar. Following the instructions listed on the can, spray the aerosol close enough to the smoke detector that it can pick up the particles. If the alarm does not go off, your detector's particle sensor may be out of commission. When the test is finished, use a handheld vacuum to suck remaining aerosol particles out of the air near the detector. Then, if it is still dirty, clean the device with a soft cloth or brush. Light matches to check the smoke sensor. Hold 2 or 3 matches in your hand and, while you're below the smoke detector, strike them. Blow them out immediately and let the smoke rise to the detector. The smoke should trigger the device's smoke detector and set off the alarm. If it does not activate, your detector is not operating correctly. Be careful when handling matches to avoid burning your hands. After the test, suck up the smoke with a handheld vacuum. If the detector is dirty, clean it with a brush or soft cloth. Reset your alarm after each test. Once each inspection is complete, you can turn off the alarm by holding down the test button for around 15 seconds. This will reset the device and allow you to proceed with the other tests. Remove and replace the alarm's power supply if it won't turn off. For battery-powered detectors, simply remove and reinsert the battery pack. For hardwired detectors, disconnect the detector from the wall and remove any backup batteries. Then, reinsert the batteries and reconnect the device. If the alarm sounds off immediately after reconnecting the power, your device may be malfunctioning. If you're trying to reset multiple hardwired alarms, try simplifying the process by flipping the circuit breakers connected to each alarm.